5 years on the East Coast, it was time to go home.
What's up? Carl is sweet.
What's up, sweet? What you want?
This mama. She's dead, bro. Passenger, show us your hand. Stop. Get down on your knees. Now down on your stomach. There you go. I'll take that, Hernandez.
Hey, that's my paper, man. That's money.
This is drug money.
My money, man.
Hey, don't worry about it. I'll fill it out later.
Welcome home, Carl. Glad to be back. You haven't forgotten about us, have you, boy?
Hell no, Officer Tenpenny. I was just wondering what took y'all so long.
Get in the car.
Ease up, man. Damn.
Watch your head. Oh, my bad.
Get out of here, you greaseball bastard! Stupid Mexican. Oh, hey, sorry.
My bag. Hey, man, my bag.
How you been, Carl? How's your wonderful family?
I'm here to bury my moms. You know that.
Yeah, I guess I do. So what else you got shaking, Carl?
Nothing. I live in Liberty City now. I'm clean. Legit.
Nah, you ain't never been clean, Carl.
Well, what do we got here?
This is a weapon, Officer Pulaski, that was used to gun down a police officer not 10 minutes ago. Officer Penderberry. A fine man, I might add. You work fast, nigga.
You know I just got off the plane.
Well, it's a good thing we found you and retrieved the murder weapon.
That ain't my gun.
Don't bullshit me, Carl.
Yeah, don't bullshit him, Carl.
What the fuck you want from me this time?
When we want you, we'll find you. In the meantime, try not to gun down any more officers of the law.
Y'all can't leave me here. This baller's country.
I thought you said you was innocent, Carl. Shoot on bang.
Scar 58.
See you around like a donut, Carl.
Officer Penderbury's down. We'll be right over here.
Hernandez.
Oh, shit. Here we go again. Worst place in the world. Rolling Heights baller country. Now, I ain't represented Grove Street in 5 years, but the ballers won't give a shit.
I love violence.
Grove Street. Home. At least it was before I fucked everything up.
It's burnt all down one side. Hey, this is soggy endo.
I'm trying out for the MWF, huh?
Hey, Big Smoke, it's me, Carl. Chill.
CJ. Oh my God, what's up? Hey baby, you okay, man?
Nah, man. It's my mom's, homie.
Hey, I don't know why this had to happen, but I promise you, I'm gonna find out who killed your moms. The streets is cold, dog. Like it says in the book, we are blessed and cursed.
What fucking book?
Same things make us laugh, make us cry. But right now, we gotta take care of our business. You wanna drive?
Yeah, that's cool. Nice car, Smoke.
You know me. It's not cut. Keep the value in it. Keep it real.
Ballers! Drive-by! Incoming!
Oh, motherfucker, my car!
We gotta get back to the hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a bike and pedal. Either you ain't forgotten that. Follow my lead.
I got family meetings to make.
Watch it, buddy.
Takes you back some, huh, CJ? Yeah.
Things has changed around here.
CJ, watch your back around here, man.
How'd it get so bad? I thought this was family's turf.
Yeah, it's Temple Drive family. We don't roll with them no more.
Oh!
Move it, C. Shit, a baller's car's onto us. Split up. Keep up, motherfucker. You just a liability, CJ. Why you bother coming back?
You trying to kill me?
Straight back into the game, right, dog? Was it this bad before you left? East Coast got you all thinned out, home.
Oh, man. Move it, CJ. You embarrassing us, nigga.
I know all the public bathrooms in the city.
What's the matter, fool? You tired?
Come on, CJ. You can't keep up with the fat man. Come on, man, you gotta keep up.
Keep up, motherfucker. I got with them motherfuckers, though. Sold them niggas who's gangster. Rider, nigga. So when you leaving, Carl?
I ain't sure. Thought I might stay. Things is fucked up.
Well, the last thing we need is your help.
Ah, man, I won't let you down. I swear.
Hey, we gonna call some hood rats and chill the hell out. You want some?
I got a whole lot going on. I'm tired. I'll catch y'all later.
Hey, yo, just drop in. We all hanging out.
Gia, and get yourself some colors, fool. And a haircut. It's embarrassing to be seen with you. nobody can tell me when to hit the joint.
Hello?
Hey, thought I'd explain some shit.
Sweet. Hey, what's up?
Since you've been away, shit has changed around here.
Hey, show me how they drive on the East Coast, homie.
Hey, OB still run the barbershop?
Like a raggedy ass motherfucker. He popped his windbreak years ago. The way I left that old fool in my head.
Yeah, I think I'll get cut up.
Whatever. You got 5 minutes? I'll be cutting you like a DJ. So when you running off again?
I'm not. I'm thinking of staying.
Why?
My family, the homies is here.
We were always here, fool.
Yeah, but now I'm back, and I know what I've been missing.
Don't expect me to kiss your ass or nothing. You still a buster to me.
Sit down, son.
I'm the hoochie coochie man.
What are you after, Carl?
Your thing. Chiba chiba. Hey, bro. You all right. Chiba chiba. Hey, sis. Hey, sis.
Yeah, man.
Chiba chiba. I'm the hoochie coochie man. I got that mojo. Chiba chiba. Chiba chiba. Chiba chiba.
A Johnson boy through and through. Tell Big Smoke he needs a cut.
Shit. I told you he was crazy. Man, you jacked up. Man, what's this? Shit look ridiculous. No respect for the hood. All clean as shit. Looking too skinny, CJ. Wanna get us something to eat. I'm gonna finish this, then I'm gonna take care of business.
Bitches can't see me.
Choose a blend of cheese and fat, sir. Here, next. This pizza parlor's no pushover.
What you waiting for, fool? Take us back to the Grove, motherfucker.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
That dirty big fool gave me the clap. I'm gonna get you, Mama. Radio Los Santos.
Ain't nothing old-fashioned about the music on my show. This is the future, baby. I got another dance story that's it. And right then and there, it's no hope, 'cause a nigga can't.
Better drop by and see Sweet. He's been yapping on about that graffiti too. Later, homie.